In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best gas can available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Where can you get more fuel for your yacht when the time comes? While some lakes and rivers have fuel stations, the best way to get fuel is to bring it right to the dock side. You'll need a special gas can for this, one that can safely carry more fuel. It wouldn't hurt to have some wheels to make transporting the extra fuel around simpler. The Scepter Duramax is more like a mobile gas station than a basic gas can, thanks to its large fuel capacity and easy maneuverability. With a 14-gallon capacity, you'll have plenty of fuel for a fun day on the water. Large wheels and a 10-foot hose allow you to roll the gas can up onto the dock and fill up without the trouble of several trips to the pump with smaller gas cans. No-spill gas cans all have one thing in common, and it's right there in the name. The auto shutoff feature on the no-spill spout prevents spills and drips. As a result, no-spill gas cans, such as the no-spill 1450, are among the safest gas cans available in 2019. Additionally, the no-spill 1450 offers a variety of additional safety measures. There is a stainless steel mesh built into the spout, as well as a dust cover. These features work together to keep anything from falling into your gas and ruining it. It takes some practice to use the thumb button to pour gas from the no-spill 1450 gas can. It is, however, a convenient approach if you get the hang of it. Because of the tiny diameter of the spout, it is the finest gas can for lawn care because it can be used to fill a wide range of equipment. Overall, this is a long-lasting and dependable gas can for any household. Many individuals use gas-powered generators in emergency situations, while camping, or at work where they need steady electricity. You'll also need to offer a steady supply of fuel to keep the generator running. Gas cans that are suitable for fueling a generator usually have a large carrying capacity and a spout that can be used with a variety of small and large equipment. To put it simply, the Eagle Galvanized safety can is more durable than your typical gas can. The can's one-piece design eliminates leaks and toxic spills, which can be hazardous near operating generators. The flow of gasoline is controlled by a trigger release in the spout, allowing you to be exact while refueling a generator or engine. When you pull your finger off the trigger, the release is spring-loaded and snaps shut. The Surecan does not fulfill OSHA regulations because it is a plastic gas can. Plastic gas cans, on the other hand, are lighter and perform just as well, though they aren't as well adapted to long-term fuel storage. We enjoy the Surecan since it is simple to operate. It was the quickest and easiest to use of all the fuel canisters we examined. It's easy to fill and may be used with or without a funnel. The safety lid is a little tough to unscrew in order to fill this can, but that's by design. The can fills up easily once the lid is removed. There is no need for a safety feature that would slow gasoline filling because fuel is not filled and dispensed via the same hole. This is a lightweight plastic can that is very easy to handle. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Because of the narrow spout, this can fill slowly, but because it's on the bottom, it's easy to get all of the gasoline from the can to your tank. A fuel canister cannot have an always open vent to fulfill EPA rules, therefore you'll have to hold down a venting handle while dispensing. While pouring the can, this isn't too difficult, however it would be easier if you didn't have to hold down this lever. The federal safety regulations are met by the Justrite Type I safety can. It also complies with OSHA and the National Fire Protection Association standards. Justrite cans are made in the United States and put through rigorous testing to assure that they are leak-free. This can has a similar design to the Eagle, however it only has one handle instead of two. It was equivalent to the Eagle gas can in terms of ease of use, though significantly less so. This gas can has a design that is very similar to the Eagle gas can that we offer as our editor's pick. The key distinction is that the handle used to open the spring-loaded spout cap is also used to carry the can. Because you'll need to pull the handle and tip the can from the bottom at the same time, it can be a little tricky to use. Gasoline flows rather swiftly once properly positioned, and the can, despite its steel composition, is not particularly heavy. It's simple to fill this canister. You'll need a funnel to hold the lid open while adding gasoline, just like the Eagle. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.